So this tutorial is for my babes who are really busy, who have a 9 to 5, who have like families. For anyone who doesn't have the time or the luxury to go spend hours at the salon, or anyone who doesn't want to spend so much money for a hair appointment, this tutorial is for you because installing this hair took me less than 2 hours. I started this hair around 3 p.m. and I was done at around 4:40-ish or thereabouts. This hair was very easy to install. It's so low maintenance. So if you're looking for something that is very easy, very simple, if you're not a hairstylist, if you are not a salon perfectionist, if you're looking for something that you can just grab and go with a crochet needle and little to no amount of money, then girl, welcome to my channel, because I went all out and I slayed this hair in under 2 hours and I love the finished look. Meanwhile, all the links to all the products is going to be in the description box down below. So if you're looking for the link to where I got my hair, the products that I used, crochet needle, and like everything is going to be in the description box. Okay, please go ahead and click that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel, and let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay. I've actually had this braid pattern in for like 6 days. For my pattern area, I have individual braids, as you guys can see, and then just connected them to these cornrows that were going straight all the way to the back. I literally have a doctor's appointment in the next 2 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly install this hair as soon as I can. So I'm going to go ahead and install the crochet pieces that I have here, just where I have my pattern. This hair was very affordable, wasn't expensive at all. For this part here, the parts where you have the twist, this is actually synthetic hair. And then for the curly pieces, this is human hair. I've had this hair for years. So the time is 3:02 and I'm going to go ahead and install the first piece. I'm going to insert my crochet needle. That's the first thing you want to do. Once you insert your crochet needle, you want to open the loop of the hair like so. This hole right here is the loop. This is what I'm referring to. So I'm going to go ahead and place that loop into the hook of my crochet needle like so. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and close the latch, pull it out to the other side. Once you pull the hair to the other side, you're going to go ahead and slide your crochet needle down like so, and then take the ends of your hair, place that in the hook. Okay, close the latch and once again pull it out through your loop. And then once you do that, you want to just go ahead and pull the rest of your crochet hair until it is flat and secured to your scalp. This is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest of my hair. So the time right now is 3:08. Okay, so it took me about 5 minutes to do the hair on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly install the hair around the rest of my head, and I'm going to allow you guys to watch. I think I'm going to start with the hair at the back. I'm going to go ahead and install the next cornrow somewhere here, okay, not down here. And this is going to make sure that at the end of the day, my cornrows are going to lie down flat without being bulky, okay. Amazon has good hair. One of the things that has helped me over time is going through people's reviews, right? So it's one thing to see what a seller is claiming, but then going through the reviews from people who have actually bought the hair actually helps, in my opinion. And I just thought there might be 1 or 2 people that this tutorial might actually help. Maybe you need to hurry to the office or you have an appointment. You can just like reuse any of your old crochet hair and you'll be good to go. So I have made so much progress and I am almost done, and the time right now is 3:58. In like less than an hour, I've been able to crochet almost the entire part of my head. I just have a few cornrows here and a few cornrows here at the front, and that's it. So as you can see, I'm inserting my crochet needle here because directly opposite where the crochet needle is on the next cornrow, there are no braids. I have a braid here, I have another braid here, but directly underneath there's no braid. Once I install a crochet braid here, it will cover up for this space without allowing the hair to be bulky, if that makes any sense, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Loveth and I am a computer engineer who just loves to do her hair. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button because over here on this channel, you slay on a budget. Okay. For some of them, the way the loop is curled is what makes it difficult for the hair to lie flat. As you guys can see, this is how it is. So no matter how I try to knot this, it will always keep folding up. You want to make sure that you're using one that the loop is flat like this and you'll be good to go. So I'm almost done. Once I'm done with 1, 2, 3, I'll just start filling in the rest of the hair. So I'm almost done and my hair looks really pretty. This is where my parting area is. I'm just going to go ahead and install more hair through like here and here and here. And I'm doing this with the hair laid down just so that I can see all the sparse areas that need to be filled up. So I'm done with my hair and the time is 4:45, so it took me 1 hour and 45 minutes to install my hair. I have like few minutes left for my doctor's appointment, all the before and after. I'm gonna do that when I come back, but for now this is what my hair looks like and this is so pretty. Okay. I haven't even styled my edges and I'm just going to use Shine and Jam. I am in a really big hurry. God help me. So I have been able to finish up my hair just in time for my doctor's appointment. In the meantime, this is what my hair looks like. Oh, this is pretty. So hi guys, it's been 2 days since you guys last saw me. After I came back from my appointment, I just got so exhausted and I couldn't come back to sit down on the camera and show you guys what the hair actually looks like while I was done. But this right here is the finished result, and guys, this hair is pretty. I kid you not, for a hairstyle that took me less than 2 hours to install. This is chef kiss. So if you're someone who is very busy, maybe you have a 9 to 5 and you have like kids, or you just have a very busy schedule, or you're working like 2 to 3 jobs, this is one hairstyle that you can do, and I mean it for a fact, that will not only save you time, it will also make you look put together without breaking the bank. Okay, so I'm going to put the link to this hair. The part that has the twisted area is made of synthetic hair, however the curly ends is actually human hair. But this hair wasn't expensive at all. I got this hair from Amazon a while ago and I just had it in my stash. Okay, so I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and pop this right on. I only installed this hair once, and let me tell you something, the first time I installed this hair, guys, I did not like it. I kid you not. Most times I'll install hair and I'll trash them, but for some reason I forgot to trash this hair and it was in my stash. So when I found it, I was like, you know what, I actually intend doing a different hairstyle over the weekend, but I felt I could just pop this on and manage it for the next couple of days. And boy, I kid you not, I love this hairstyle. It is so comfortable, so versatile, it's so simple that even someone who is doing hair for the first time can comprehend. There was no leave out, just my regular all back braiding pattern, apart from where I had my parting area that you guys saw. So with that being said, I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. The link to this hair as well as every other product used is going to be in the description box down below. Guys, we hit 15 million views on YouTube a couple of weeks ago, and I am so grateful for every single person that sat down to watch my tutorial or my video or my content. And to my amazing 281,000, we are almost at 282,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. It means so much to me. Okay, and if you are not subscribed to my channel and you actually find my content something that you can resonate with, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.